Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the app and signing in. This links your slides and files. Once signed in, grant storage permission so PowerPoint can access downloads and photos. Now locate the presentation. OneDrive is easiest, but you can open an email attachment or a local file. Tap the file to open it. PowerPoint converts and loads slides. Make sure autosave is on if you're editing a cloud file, because that prevents loss and keeps version history in sync. Now you'll edit and format. Tap the toolbar icons, Home, Insert, Draw to reveal mobile-friendly tools. This is where you add text, images, and shapes. Tap any text box to edit. The keyboard appears and formatting buttons let you change size, color, and alignment. For images, use Insert, then Photos or Camera, pinch to resize, and drag to place. Once done, apply transitions and check slide order in the thumbnail view. Make sure spacing and contrast stay readable on small screens. Finish by saving and sharing correctly. Save as PPTX to keep edits or export to PDF for universal viewing. Share via OneDrive link or email attachment. To present, open Presenter View or connect your phone to a TV with an HDMI adapter or cast to a compatible device. If a file won't open, try force closing the app, clearing app cache, or reinstalling PowerPoint. This often fixes corrupt load states. If cloud sync fails, check your internet and sign in credentials before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.